professional liability is liability insurance that covers businesses for the professional services that they provide. So this can be a consultant, this can be attorneys, doctors. I think medical malpractice is probably one of the most well-known professional liability coverages. But essentially, if you are providing a professional service to a third party, you're going to want to make sure that you're covered for any errors or omissions that you make in the course of your business. So E&O, or errors and omissions, is actually another name that is interchangeable with professional liability. The types of businesses that would need professional liability are any business that is providing a third-party service to other people or individuals or businesses. So good examples would be accountants, business consultants, attorneys, folks who are giving their professional advice to assist their clients, essentially using their expertise to provide advice. So the reason why you'd want to have it is that in case you make an error or you provide advice that maybe is not the best, or you overlooked an important aspect of your client's issues, and they file a claim. So, hey, you gave me bad advice and it negatively impacted my business. This is where professional liability will come in and protect your business, your assets, from any errors or omissions that you make, resulting in third-party claims against you. Yeah, so professional liability covers businesses for third-party claims. These can involve property damage, bodily injury. So if the advice that you give causes financial damage to your client and they make a claim against you, the professional liability coverage will step in, so that, this based on the services you provide. So your advice, essentially, it's like your advice is your service. So your professional expertise is the service that you're providing, and if your expertise or you provide bad advice and your client has a negative impact to it as a result of it, you will be, this is where the coverage will come in. For bodily injury, if you're, for example, a safety, you're providing risk and safety services to a business, and hey, you tell them, hey, you don't need to put, a no slip sign down, and then someone slips and falls, that is another example of where it can come in. So it all comes down to the professional advice that you're providing your clients and the recommendations that you're making from an area of expertise.